welcome back to Brews with Brena, the show where I review craft beer and style my hair super cute. So this week we are doing a 90s blowout tutorial using a curling iron. This week's beer is called Roomies. It is a collaboration between Barnhammer Brewing and Thom Bargen. Thom Bargen is a coffee shop here in Winnipeg. So this beer is a Gose, or you could pronounce it Gose. Goses originated out of Germany. Goses are kind of like a fermented beer. They kind of have like a rotten taste. Well, not rotten, I'd say like more sour. And they usually have like an herbal characteristic, a saltiness to them, as well as some sort of citrus sour taste in there. It's gonna be a coffee Gose. Coffee and kind of a sour beer, I don't know. I thought this one would be so fun to try because it is a flavor collab that I have never seen before. So let's try it. Okay, let's get started on the hairstyle. First, what you're gonna do is heat protectant. This is Eversmooth. It's also a style extender, so it's just gonna help it to last like a little longer. I'm gonna section my hair. So I'm sectioning it just like above the ear here. I'm gonna be using 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I wanted to use my 1 1/2 inch, but I couldn't find it, so whatever. This will be fine. I'm just gonna take a little bit bigger sections. Honestly, I'm just gonna kind of curl it. If I can, oh my gosh. And you wanna wait 10 seconds or until this hair feels warm. So now what I'm gonna do is just put my 2 fingers in here like this and just wrap it up. Now I'm gonna use a little clip here to hold it. It's easier if you start with 2 fingers, shove them in like that, and just wrap it around like that. Boom. Get it in there, boys. So this beer is definitely unlike anything I've ever had before. It tastes rich. Tastes like money. I'm guessing the artwork is their brewing space. I don't know, I've never been there. You know, I looked up some information on these 2 companies and I really couldn't find much. The beans that are roasted come from a farm in Costa Rica. So freaking how easy was it to do these 2 pieces, guys? Now we're just gonna do that for the rest of the hair. So the clips I'm using are this. What are they called even? I forget. And some I'm twisting away from the face and some I'm twisting towards the face. Be less uniform. Who doesn't love lovely birds in the background? Throw another pin in there, boys. Good enough. Man, like I've been off work for almost 2 months now again. I really miss just spending money. I'm broke. The coffee taste in this is really light. It's such a unique flavor, I can't compare it to anything. Would describe this flavor by being really stimulating in a positive way. Think of it more as a light sour. You got that yummy, 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 yummy. So da boo da, put in work the boo da. And just because I'm using a curling iron doesn't mean you guys have to. If you usually curl hair with a flat iron or wand, whatever, use that. I saw girls using, what do you call it? Like those Velcro rollers, but it's like, who the f***'s gonna go out and buy those, man? This is how you do it with what you got in stock. Oh man, I feel like that was quick. That was probably like under 10 minutes to do all that. If we're doing 90s hair, we gotta have that quintessential 90s flip with that volume in the front, girl, that volume. Let me show you how to get it. So spray, 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 baby. Oh, she's sticking now. You're gonna brush it to the opposite direction of which it's gonna lie. So I want my hair to lie like that. So I'm brushing it all the way to this side, and that's how we're gonna get that volume in there. Give it a little spray, spray, spritz, spritz. So, like, do your makeup or finish getting dressed, whatever, while you're waiting for this to set. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes or so. I didn't know until I was doing research for this video that it was pronounced Gose. You could say Gose, whatever works for you. This one is freaking cool because it includes coffee. I'd say I don't taste the coffee too much. Best of peace, best of peace. So what you do after you take all the clips out is just brush it out. So I'm using a boar bristle brush, whatever, just kind of like a smoothing brush like that. You could use whatever you got, it'll work just fine. Okay, so we're gonna do this front piece now. Take her out, boys. You know what? I don't like the way these ends are shaped, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix them with the curling iron. A little bit of shine spray. Or you could use an oil if you don't have any shine spray. Okay, and that's how you do a 90's blowout. I feel like Stephanie Seymour or something. Okay, homies, let's do a final review on this Gose. Man, that's just so much fun to say. I just want to say it all the time. Would I buy this beer Roomies again? Yeah, mother. This, I don't know, it might be in the top 5, to be honest. It's freaking yum yum in my tum tum. And I'm super happy to support not only one Winnipeg company, but 2. It's super cool that there are freaking coffee beans in this Gose. Now that's innovative, creative, and freaking yummy. I guess you guys know I have a thing for kind of sours or whatever. A little bit of that off taste though, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of that, make it tongue go, And what do you all think of this finished style? I feel like it's so sultry and sexy, you know what I mean? Super 90's. And easy as and you don't need to know how to round brush your hair to do it. I don't know, I feel freaking just foxy, like, ooh. Okay, thanks so much for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys like this style, and let me know if you end up checking out this beer. Frick, it's yum 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 in my tongue. If there's any looks or beers you guys want me to try, drop it below in the comments. Freaking like, comment, subscribe, you know the whole bit. Do it by now. I've had 39 subscribers for like a month now. Help me out, folks. Okay, anyways, bye. Love ya.